So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, today this video is gonna be very beneficial, interesting and also special video for everyone, for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers. Because guys, today I'm not gonna talk about the American accent. Oh, sorry. Today I'm gonna talk about the American accent, but not any ideas, any tips and tricks, or any lesson. Because guys, today I'm gonna share my thoughts with everyone. That's very important. And I also know that the problems that I am facing nowadays, it's also gonna be a very big problem for all of you. But don't worry, today I'm gonna explain you that, and today I'm gonna prepare you that to face that problem. Will you will learn the American accent. So now guys, first of all I want to talk about my challenge that as I explained to everyone that in this challenge, 1 week for American accent challenge, in this challenge I have to make 2 videos daily. Okay guys, 2 videos daily regularly up to 7 days, and now it is the 6th day and it is the first video. You can understand by the morning time. So guys, I want to tell everyone that I am not developed well. My accent, my American accent is not developed well. But now the question is why? What's the matter? I also had made many videos about the American accent, but now also my American accent is not developed very well. I know that I am practicing, that's why it will develop one day, but no, I have taken the challenge to develop my American accent up to 7 days and also in under 7 days. So that's why guys, I want to tell everyone that there is a reason, and for the reason my American accent is not developed, I want to tell everyone that I have developed only 40% of American accent, only 40% of American accent. But now I just understood what my problem is, and now I am sure in only 3 videos I will develop my 60%. I will complete my 60%, and I am not gonna upset all of you. Yes, you listen right. And now the question is what's the matter? Why you are not developed well? And guys, I want to tell everyone, my accent is not totally the American accent. My accent is a mixture of the Indian accent and the American accent. Yes guys, the Indian accent and the American accent. Many people, and I am also facing this problem, this same problem, that whenever I speak, I give a speech in front of many people, then suddenly at the first I speak very goodly in the American accent, and then after 2, 3, 4 lines I again shift into the Indian accent, and then again after 2 or 3 lines I again shift in American accent, and then after again 3 or 4 lines I again shift in the Indian accent. But it is not the right way to speak. Remember, pronunciation is very important. If you are giving a speech in front of many people, then only your pronunciation is gonna attract all of those people in yourself. Yes, if you have a very soft, have a very like silent, quiet voice, you are very still, and then you are speaking that my name is Prathib Barban, I read in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, then nobody are gonna give you a simple attention also. But if you speak with your body movement, if you just make and increase your tone, and if you speak in a good pronunciation, that hi, my name is Prathib Burman, I read in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, and today I am present here for to give a speech in front of you all, then guys, you can feel the difference very easily. So it's a thing guys. Now I am also using the American accent, but I think my American accent is like a chutney accent. Okay, chutney American accent. But guys, I literally want to transfer and convert this chutney into a whole dish. Yes, you listen right. And that's why I'm gonna practice the American accent today. And practicing is very important. Just try to understand, since my childhood I am using the Indian accent first to speak the English language. Okay, that's why this American accent is a newborn baby for me. But I want to grow up this baby, because guys, I like the American accent. So now I know that this work needs only the patience and the hard work and the practices. So that's why for that reason today I'm gonna practice, and I want to share with you a very important topic. And with only this topic, you also are not able, I'm also not able to speak the American accent into a like a middle swift point. After a moment we again speak the Indian accent and then again the American accent. You also can listen to me now, you can observe me. Sometimes I speak in the Indian accent some lines, and then again now I shift in the American accent. So guys, what's the matter? Just try to understand that when we speak in the English language, our mother tongue is not English, my mother tongue is not English, my mother tongue is Bengali. I am from the Tripura, Agartala, and that's why whenever I get and also some instant sentences come in my brain, then first of all I have to think them properly in the Bengali language, and then after thinking that I have to convert them into the English language. So it's this work my whole brain do. It's the work of the brain, and that's why this American accent is also a new work. That's why when I will put the American accent in my brain, that no, American accent is also very important. And for to learn and for to speak the American accent also, you need many rules. You have to follow rules, you have to obey those rules. So guys, that's why our brain also can't handle 2 or 3 or 4 words together. It's our brain is also like a machine, guys. But if you make this works your habit, then it will be very good, very fine for all of you. So guys, that's why I'm gonna give you practice, and I also will practice you with you. So only don't do anything, just stop to make new sentences from your brain and translate them English. I know that many people, we also know how to give our introduction, we know some stories, then just explain those stories. Like I always in most of the videos I explain the quotes. That's why guys, today I am gonna practice the American accent with the help of the quotes. I will just explain you the quotes in the American accent, because for those quotes I don't need to make the another sentences, and for that I can focus on the American accent very properly. But guys, if I do any mistake, then guys, the comment section is open, go and comment anything. But guys, I know that you always support me, that's why please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video. So let's start my practice. So now guys, as you can see, there are some quotes that I'm gonna speak in the American accent, and it will be a great practice. So I will focus that I don't shift again in the Indian accent. So let's start with my very favorite quotes, and it is that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. Everything is easy when you are crazy for it. Everything is easy when you are crazy. It's not like everything, it's everything, it's everything. Everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. And also guys, I want to give you a very important thing. It is that tone. Okay, when I speak in the Indian accent, then I feel I observe another tone, and then when I speak in the American accent, there I feel another tone. The American accent tone is also more deeper, as you can hear. It's also very important, guys. You have to control your tone. It's not in my hand. Then watch my neck, and now your tune is okay. No, it's not in my word. You have to like practice it daily, then you will face some problems, you have to solve those problems. So everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. It's not that for it, it's for it. Everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. For it. When you pronounce the for it, then you can understand, you can observe totally that your tongue is touching your ridge, means the upper side of your mouth. But in the American accent, by the rule, don't let your tongue touch the upside, means the upper word of your mouth, means your ridge. So just when you pronounce the for it, then your tongue will touch your ending part of the teeth. Okay, teeth. And it is the great, guys. So everything is easy and you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy and you're lazy for it. Try to pronounce with me. Everything is easy and you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy and you're lazy for it. And this course is also teach us many things. Yes guys, many things. As you also can see that in our places, then the winter also guys started. That's why I also have wore a sweater, but I don't matter, and also when you are gonna speak the English language, that doesn't matter. The coldness also will become more like summer days. Yes, just try that, you are gonna see the benefits. So guys, everything is easy and you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy and you're lazy for it. So what means of craziness and laziness? So it's a very important thing guys, that everyone we should listen and everyone we should understand it, that everything is easy and we also prepare ourselves for our goals, for our success. Then there are the main thing is hard work. We have to do hard work, obviously. Doesn't matter every time we will get the fruits, we will get the results, but hard work is very important. Okay guys, so that's why just try to be crazy for your work. Now as I am making the videos, I am also trying to learn the American accent, what the people there does. Many people I also observed in our society members, also many people that knows the English language, but after speaking and they think that after writing few letters, few alphabets, few s's by their own self, they have learned the English. But no, it's the wrong thing guys. There are nothing to end. There are nothing that the English is end. English is like a drawing. How much you will put colors with your brushes, then it will be more beautiful and more beautiful. That's why guys, I'm also trying to work in my pronunciation. I don't know what the results are gonna be, that I will give my 100%. It can be that after these 7 days I also will develop another pronunciation in English, because every day I'm practicing it, and all the practicing is very important. So guys, you have to become crazy for your work. Just try to input some craziness. Don't think what the people are doing. If the people are doing something, then try to do the opposite of it, but try to focus on your work. Like try to be a rebel. And now what's the rebel? I want to tell everyone that rebel is also a short poem from the class 7 textbook. Okay, that rebels means what the people do, the rabbit, and also the rebel does the opposite of it. So it's a try to become a rebel. Like people are reading, people are forcing themselves to read and also to learn the English with the help of the grammars. But I'm not doing that. I am forcing myself to learn the English naturally, which means by speaking, by reading the stories, by stocking words and sentences. But I also sometimes I read the tense, read the grammars, but it doesn't mean that the grammar is very useless. The grammar also is very useful, and if you can use the grammar in a correct way, then it will be great guys. So guys, you need to be crazy for any work. Motivation, excitement, try to become crazy. Like I always, most of the times I go to the outdoor side to make many videos with my fathers. So that's why also guys, it is one kind of craziness. Many people, they go outside to do morning work, to do their work, but I go for the outside for to practicing the English language, and also from few days I am practicing the American accent at the outdoor side. So craziness is very important. And now guys, my second quote that I love this quote, it is that to a great mind, nothing is little. To a great mind, nothing is little. I think that this course has no ending of explanation. Yes, explanation. This course has no ending, guys, because this course is very short, but like a bomb. Yes, RDX bomb. So guys, to a great mind, nothing is little. What mean of the great mind and what means of the little things? Just try to understand that the people, like talented people, smart people, their nothing is very simple, small guys in their life. And for this habit, they also success in your life. So just try to understand it. That don't think that, oh, this is a very simple thing, I don't have to solve it. But no, one day this simple thing will become a very big thing that you also can't handle it. So just try to understand. Now I am making the video, I am practicing the American accent. But yesterday I thought that I will talk about the lessons, I will talk about the constructions. But suddenly I thought that what will happen if I share my own problems with everyone? That I can speak, I also can understand the American accent, but when is the time for speaking I can't produce the accent very well. What's the matter? That's why guys I am practicing. So this simple thing, although sometimes we shift in the American accent and then we again came back in the Indian accent. So this simple thing I noticed. Okay, so you also have to notice your simple small thing. But remember, nothing is small, nothing is simple, nothing is small. It can be that I also observed that many people who also do some conversation with their partners, who learn the English better, and then guys they also become more overconfident. Like, look at this boy, he can't speak the American accent, he also can't speak the English language, that's why I will pressurize him or her, then they will stop speaking, they will go away. No guys, remember, your opponent, it can be your conversation partner, it can be nothing small in this whole world. And if you can capture it, then it will be very great for you. And now the quote is that I also always use, it is that beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. It is not like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. It is like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. Beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. I also notice a very important thing in everyone, that people, they can speak and they can use the American accent for few sentences. Like suddenly you are watching my videos sitting in the bed, sitting in the chair, and then suddenly in front of your eyes there is a sentence you read, you have read, you have read in the English language. Then you can use the American accent, then you can say it very goodly, like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. Beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. But when you will use these codes while you are speaking, then you are gonna see the magic. It will be transferred in the Indian accent. Absolutely, I am guaranteed guys. So that's why practice is very important. What's means of the beautiful days? I think the beautiful days for me is our success, our final goals. So just try to remember, when you will success in our life, we will be happy, and then we will spend time happy moments. It is the beautiful day guys. Those beautiful days will not come to you, you must work towards them. What's meaning of the tower walk? I think that walking means hard work. Okay, hard work. With the hard work you also need some smart work, otherwise the hard work will be very long. So guys, after doing that, it will be very beneficial practice for me. And I am also understand that it's developing guys. Now guys, I think that I practice a lot. Bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching guys. And guys, I wanna tell that it is the first episode of the day 6. Only there are only 3 videos an episode, and I will try to cover in all of them many important topic. That's why guys, if you wanna watch my another videos, my 3 videos of the American accent, then guys please subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have already subscribed, then guys thank you. Bye bye, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And guys, there is also a playlist that I have made. As you can see, it is the playlist. So just click on the playlist and see all of my videos of the American accent. So bye bye, I will meet you in the next video.